Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to rename your bank account on YNAB. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below. Once you click on the link, you will see a page like this. To start, click on Login. Now log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see the list of accounts on the left side menu. Click on the bank account you wish to rename. A pop-up window will then appear. On the field provided under Account Nickname, enter the name for your bank account that you wish to use. After entering, click on Save. And that's how you rename your bank account in YNAB. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.